Welcome to Take 5, the series that shows you how to research something in 5 minutes or less. Today's Take 5 will show you how to find a current news article. So take a pause out of your day and learn something new. I'm Maria and I'll show you how it's done. Today's Take 5 will show you how to find a current full-text news article on the census for your students and how to share or save the article with your class. Nexis Uni offers several flexible ways to search their vast database of news, business, and law materials. Today we are going to show you a simple way to do a guided search on a news topic. The guided search can be found here. The default is for a news search. There are other items that you can search here, such as company info, law reviews, country information, cases, and publications. For our news search, we are going to type in our terms and click on Search. As you can see, we retrieved a lot of items. So what we want to do is consider other terms we want to use in conjunction with our topic. We are going to search the term privacy and also look at a particular population. By using the capital "and," that will tell the database we want each of these terms to be returned in our result set. And then we will click on Search. So now that we've narrowed a little bit, we are going to go down to the narrow by options on the left sidebar. One way that we can also narrow is by timeline. Since we want the most recent articles, we can put in the time of 2019 to retrieve the articles from just this year. And click OK. We can also decide to sort by newest to oldest. This will retrieve the newest items first. Once we find an article we want to share, we can click on the article to see the full text. From here, we can share it by printing it, by choosing the email option and choosing what emails we would like to send to and providing a subject or a message. There are also other formatting options here, and we can click on Submit. We can also download the article, and we can also send the article to Google Drive. This is a good option to use when you're collaborating. Once you click Send, you will receive a message that to access the Google Drive, Nexis Uni needs your permission, so you will just click on Proceed from here. Lastly, we can export our citation. You will see a drop-down box with 4 different citation styles, so you can choose the one your class is using, and then from here you can copy and paste the citation, including the permalink. And that's it. So today we learned how to find a current full-text news article using search techniques and limiters to find specific articles on the U.S. Census. We also learned how to share the articles with our students. Join us next time for another Take 5. Our topic will be finding Supreme Court cases using the case name option.